This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion driver drill, model DS18DGL. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers fade-free power, is lightweight, and has 3 times the total battery life of a traditional battery. It produces up to 400 inch-pounds of torque and is designed to handle most any drilling or driving application. For maximum bit grip and easy bit changes, the drill is equipped with a single sleeve, ratcheting keyless 1/2-inch chuck. At the base of the chuck is a 22-position clutch with drill mode, so you can properly match the torque to the application. It's got 2-speed gearing. With the low setting, the tool will operate at 0 to 450 RPM, ideal for driving fasteners. In the high mode, it delivers from 0 to 1250 RPM, which is ideal for drilling applications. A responsive, variable speed trigger provides complete control during operation. For convenience, a bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. On-tool bit storage keeps a bit close at hand if and when you need it. It features a soft, ergonomically designed handle due to the slide battery design that offers an optimal grip circumference for more comfortable use. Lightweight at just 3.7 pounds and well balanced, this cordless drill from Hitachi is easy to use and won't disappoint. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year lithium-ion charger warranty. Additionally, you get 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, 2-sided No. 2 Phillips bit, and a carrying case for storage.